Fix the header to the pocket using A-screws. Then fit the pocket assembly to the frame. Screw off at back post, header, and bottom of the frame. Fix the door guide to the floor using C-screws. Then install the plasterboard. Install the reveals, starting with the split jambs, then the header and the end cap. Route the top and bottom of the door. Remove the plastic tab from the bracket and set aside. Remove the center pin from the bracket and screw the pin into the wheel carriage and adjust to the desired gap by rotating clockwise or counterclockwise. Screw the base bracket into the door routing using B-screws. Unscrew the end piece and place roller for back of unit into track. Bring the door 90 degrees to the opening. Lift and slide to connect the center pin into the base bracket. Use the plastic tab to fit the centerpiece into place. Then rotate the door to slide halfway back into the cavity. Place the front roller into the track. Lift and slide to connect the center pin into the base bracket. Then use the plastic tab to fix the centerpiece in place. Adjust the door height using the spanner provided. Then attach the end piece of track. Finish and paint the door. SlideSet, the flush finish cavity slider system by Easy Concept.